Integrations in QuickBooks Online are third-party apps that integrate with your company file in QuickBooks Online. To view the integrations in QuickBooks Online, click the Integrations button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. The My Integrations panel that then appears shows your integrations if available. To find integrations, click the Find Integrations link in the My Integrations panel to open the Find Integrations page. The Find Integrations page in QuickBooks Online shows Intuit and third-party applications that integrate into QuickBooks Online, making it more efficient and easier to use. Many provide features that are not natively available in QuickBooks Online. There is a large selection of constantly changing apps on the page. Some apps may disappear or change as they are discontinued or updated. An important point to remember is that some apps may require a subscription fee and an account outside of QuickBooks Online Plus to use them. At the top of the page is a large Search by Integration tool or business need field, which you can use to search for integrations. Alternatively, you can click the Browse Categories or Browse Industries drop-downs to select a category or industry by which to view related integrations. If you browse integrations by category or industry, you can click the Back to Home page link in the upper left corner of the results page to return to the main Find Integrations page. To learn more about an integration, click its description card to open a page for the integration that shows its description and often a video. There are tabs across the top of the integration page for Overview, Pricing, Reviews, Similar, and FAQs. Clicking these tabs shows the related information. To get an integration, click the green Get Integration Now or Learn More button in the Integrations page. Generally, a new tab then opens and the process starts automatically. Depending on the integration, follow any further instructions to integrate it into QuickBooks Online Plus. Alternatively, to return to the Find Apps page or the category or industry browsing page from which you opened the Integrations page, click the X button in the upper right corner of the Integrations page. To view and manage your integrations after you install an integration in QuickBooks Online, click the Manage Integrations tab at the top of the Find Integrations page to show the Manage Integrations page. Your apps then appear within the My Integrations section in this page. To manage the integration, you then click the triple dot icon for the integration and select a command from the menu that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.